All right, how's it going? Wyatt here again at the Team O'Neill Rally School. What we're gonna cover today, skipping gears with a manual transmission. You've probably heard some people tell you it's fine, skip the gears all the time if you want to, and you've probably heard some people tell you no, go through each gear sequentially. So let's hop in the car and we'll take a look at where and when it's okay to skip gears with a standard transmission. All right, so let's take a look at skipping gears with a manual transmission. What you probably already know if you're decent at driving a manual transmission is each gear has kind of a range of speeds that it's good for. Here we are in a Subaru Wrx. First gear is only good till about 30. Second gear is good from 10 to 45, whatever it is. It's more of a feel thing when you start driving. So as long as you're keeping those gears in mind and the speed ranges that they're applicable for, there's no reason in the world why you can't skip gears. For some reason, if I were driving down the road here in fourth gear and I decided to slow down and at an appropriate speed, put it in second, that's absolutely fine. So basically just keep it within the appropriate speed range for each gear. You don't want to be going from fifth gear to first gear where you're still doing 60 miles an hour or something like that, but you could certainly go from a high gear into a low gear or a low gear into a high gear if it makes sense without any problem at all. If for whatever reason I wanted to go from third gear and I slowed down enough that I could do it smoothly and put it in first gear, nothing wrong with that. You're not harming the transmission. There's no need to go sequentially through each of the gears as you're driving around. In order to get that shift smoothly, like even at this speed, say I'm in third gear and I want to use first gear, you might need to match the RPM a little. If you're good at doing it, if you've done it a little bit, you'll notice if I just put it in first gear and let the clutch out, it's a little jerky. So no big deal. I think everybody basically knows the idea here. If I'm in second or third and I want to go into first, I just need to bring the engine RPM up a little to accomplish a very smooth shift. So that's fine, just as far as not spilling your coffee, or if you start racing or anything like that, that's handy. But for the most part, keep it a short video, shift wherever you want to as long as you're in the right range of speeds for that gear. Thanks for watching. I've been Wyatt, Team O'Neill Rally School, teamo'neill.com, and let us know in the comments if there's any other questions you've got about transmissions or race cars or basically anything in general.